Hi everyone and welcome to this video about root control non-woven bags, also known as non-woven nursery bags. Root control non-woven bags are a type of bags that is made of a special fabric that helps to control the growth of plant roots. This fabric is typically made of a blend of polypropylene and polyester fibers, and it is designed to allow air and water to pass through while preventing roots from growing through. Root control non-woven bags are used for a variety of purposes, including growing plants in nurseries, transporting plants, growing plants in containers, controlling the spread of invasive plant species. How do root control non-woven bags work? Root control non-woven bags work by preventing the roots from growing through the fabric. This is done by using a combination of fiber size and weave pattern. The fibers in a fabric are very small and close together, which makes it difficult for root to penetrate. The weave pattern of the fabric is also designed to prevent roots from growing through. Now let's talk about the benefit of using root control non-woven bags. There are many benefits to using root control non-woven bags, including improved plant health. Root control non-woven bags helps to improve plant health by preventing roots from becoming root-bound. When roots become root-bound, they are unable to grow properly, and this can lead to number of problems such as stunted growth, yellowing leaves, and flower drop. Reduce transplant shock. Root control non-woven bags help to reduce transplant shock by making it easier for plants to adapt to their new environment. When plants are transplanted, their roots are often disturbed. Roots control non-woven bags help to protect the roots during transplant, which makes it easier for the plants to recover. Easier plant transportation. Root control non-woven bags make it easier to transport the plant. The bags are lightweight and durable, and they can help to keep the roots moist and protected. Reduce weed growth. Root control non-woven bags can help to reduce weed growth by preventing weed seeds from germinating in the soil. The fabric blocks out sunlight, which is essential for weed seeds germination. Control of invasive plant species. Root control non-woven bags can be used to control the spread of invasive plant species, and the bags can be used to contain the roots of invasive plants, preventing them from spreading to other areas. Now let's talk about how to use root control non-woven bags. These root control non-woven bags are very easy to use. Simply place the bags in a desired location and fill it with soil or potting mix. Then plant your plants in the bag as usual. Now let's go through the conclusion. Root control non-woven bags are a versatile and effective way to improve plant health, reduce transplant shock, and make plant transparent easier, reduce weed growth, and control the spread of invasive plant species. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.